Guess what? Today's Death Dealer's birthday, and we're going to bring you guys along with us. So, happy birthday, Death.
Thank you.
All right. We have some cards for you.
Okay.
You're going to have to open them up this way.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
And any order you want is up to you.
Oh, I'll start with this one first. Let's start with the stacks. The way it's stacked. To be fair. Mom. In today's world, family ties mean more than ever, and you deserve a million thanks for being such a caring mom. Dear Mom, you help everyone, the people you love. You love me so much, and Dad, if I could pick my mom, I will always pick you no matter what. You've always helped everyone feel loved, secure, and close. You will always be a special part of all our memories. Happy birthday with love. Love, Tiny Giant. Aw, thank you, Minion. Next. Now that you're 40, you gotta be sure to breathe in, breathe out. Seriously, at your age, this is kind of important. Happy birthday. Love, Dreadpool. Nice. Very nice. All right. Let's see. Happy birthday. I like the design on that. Happy birthday. Hope you had a relaxing day. It is a spooky month to celebrate and a fun day for treats. Thank you for always looking out for me, even though you aren't related to me by blood. Aww. Or by my mom. I hold you close. Aww. Aww. I'm very thankful for your kindness and patience. You're never annoying. Aww, you're so sweet. You deserve a day filled with everything good, like the happiness that comes from knowing how much you're appreciated for being the wonderful person you are. My little darling. Thank you, Sweet Pea. Thank you, guys.
You gotta hand that to her.
Nick.
Oh, you're gonna not hand it to her? Alright, never mind. Keep going.
Okay, of course. Always a favorite. Oh, and they're Winnie the Pooh socks. They're cute too. Very nice. Ow. Michael Myers socks. I do not have these ones, I'm glad. Oh, I like the little jack-o'-lanterns. Your jacket face. I need more socks. Always, thank you. Projector. Oh! It's a zombie hand. Yes. It is battery powered.
I'm gonna show the camera what it looks like.
Oh. We'll have to see. I'm gonna have to put batteries in that and try it in the restroom. It's the electric place in a little glass. I like that. That's cute. I'm sure I could find something to. Oh, and a new oven mitt, a skeleton oven mitt. I need new oven mitts too, so that's actually good timing. Oh, and lighters.
Did I get enough so we can light all the candles?
Yes, yes.
Do I need more lighters?
No, that's plenty for the candles.
We don't want to set the house on fire?
No, I'm not trying to light the house on fire, but thank you. Next. Oh, thank you, Sweet Pea. Okay, all right. And, ooh, kitchen towel. Bon appetit. Aha! Villain socks. Hades, Ursula, Scar. This one says something, but I can't. In my villain, I think it says in my villain era. Yeah, always. Evil Queen and Maleficent. Oh, I like these. Always socks. And a different projector. This one is a haunted house with ghosts. Let's see if we can maybe see that. Kinda. Again, put batteries in it and check it out. And then I get my trick-or-treating pumpkins. I like that. All right, well, thank you guys. I appreciate everybody spending the time with me. I appreciate you guys for getting me the things.
You didn't get my present.
Oh, I didn't get your present.
No.
There's
You
more.
gotta close your eyes because I gotta put a tiara on you.
Oh, okay. All right.
I wanted to do this first, but I forgot.
All right.
I totally blanked out. Alright, nice pretty tiara for the queen.
Okay.
You can look.
Okay.
Do you like it?
Oh, that's funny.
And this is for the woman of the house. What woman doesn't want to have these kind of gifts? A tablecloth.
It's a tablecloth. Oh, it's got little bats in it. Bats. I like that. I need this too because my tablecloth needs to. My tablecloth's been beaten. It's okay though. It's quite old, so it upheld its use.
So be careful with this bag.
Okay.
Go for reach in here on these tiny ones over here, right there.
Oh, that's okay. And I got little angel dressed as. I don't know. It's cute. Oh, it's a kitty cat. Should get kitty cat ears. Angel. Oogie boogie. That's funny.
That's it.
Okay.
Now reach this big bone. You're gonna have to use 2 hands. Ready?
LED skeleton house glitter globe. Oh! It's a globe? Oh, I love these. Okay, so I have a whole collection of snow globes with varying degrees of snow globage. Alright, yeah, you'll have a better grip than I will.
I'm trying to get a better grip.
Scissors right there.
Where? There's no scissors here.
Is there a knife? I know I have both over there. Minion, can you help?
I don't see no knife either.
In the pumpkin.
Oh, there we go.
Not these ones, the other ones. Those are my fabric scissors. I have fabric scissors. I guess I have to use my fabric scissors.
Would you like me to do it? Or you got it?
I got it. I had it. Why is this one being stubborn? Okay,
Ready?
yeah.
There you go.
Oh my gosh.
That's the back side that the camera's seeing.
That's cool. I can look at the back for a minute. I'm looking at this. This is cool. Okay. And that is my new snow globe. That's sweet. I think I need
Yeah, we
batteries.
probably gotta put batteries in there. That's it.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
No problem.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, death dealer. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, everybody. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Bye.